Hi everyone! Welcome to my channel, Carolina's Creations-handmade. The perfect place for you to learn how to make beautiful things of your own. So make sure if you're not a subscriber, you click the red button down below. And also, please click the bell button down below so you don't miss any of my videos. And today I have a super cute DIY to share with you. I want to share with you how I made my unicorn traveler's notebook. It turned out so adorable. I hope you like it as much as I did. To start, I showed you before I had this little plushie. I kind of like gave her a little haircut because he was kind of like all over the place. And I also added this little bow on her, a purple bow, because I thought it was cute. I kind of gave her a little blush also on the cheek. And then I'm going to show you how it looks on the side. It has 5 eyelets, one for the closing cord and the 4 eyelets, and then on this eyelets it has 3 cords. It runs 3 cords through, so I have 6 cords for inserts inside, and this one is jam-packed, so it's really chunky. And I'm going to tell you on the tutorial, if you want to get it really chunky, you might have to make the closure a little larger because it's a little tight in there. But it turned out super cute. So I started with the bottom with ultrafine glitter and a hot pink because I know that she loves pink, so I tried to add pink as much as I could. So I added ultrafine glitter, hot pink. I did the bottom first, then I waited for it to dry out, and I finished the rest of the cover with the iridescent chunky glitter. And then at the end I kind of sprinkled a little bit of the iridescent glitter at the bottom too. And once everything dried out, I ran a little trim here, the eyelash trim that I got at the Dollar Tree. I used my art glitter glue for it. I just run a little cord around so it looked prettier. It gave her some more interest. And then the unicorn I made using a die from Pink Fresh Studio. I think it's called Magical Unicorn, but I'm going to share with you later down on the video. And this die is super cute, and I use also the stamp. I didn't stamp the eyelashes with it. I just used them as a guide because I didn't want to have to use stays on all my stamps because I didn't want to stain them. So I just used them as guide, and I think it turned out adorable. If you don't have this die, you can actually make a unicorn real simple. You just have to trace the little ears and use any flowers you want, and it's still really simple to just make a horn like this. So let me show you what's inside. I have here this super cute, crazy pin. It's huge. And I like it because it kind of matches the colors, but it's really funny. So this is the closure, and like I said, it's running a little tight because I added a lot more things that I should have probably. But I couldn't help it. I added too many inserts. But let me show you how it looks inside. So it opens up like that, and here's the closure. You have here at this side that matches the inside of the travelers, and then the outside matches the cover. And it's so adorable. So you open it like this, and then over here I added this bookmark. This is an acetate bookmark that I made using a Stampin' Up die. I got this unicorn at Hobby Lobby, and I added it here because I thought it looked really cute. And then I added a few washi in here that kind of matches the unicorn theme for her. I added a few stickers in here, and then I added this little card in here that says happiness is believing in unicorns. And I added 2 pockets in here, 2 plastic pockets, adhesive pockets. You don't need to do that if you don't want to, but I think it gives her more space for storage. But again, this is optional. On this side, I told you before that I really don't care much for the really bulky shakers that people love on the planners because they stuck at the bottom and they get so bulky that I really don't like how uncomfortable it is to write because it's just like you're writing on top of bulk. So I rather make them like this. I made this cupcake paper clip, and then I glued this in there, and then it's a shaker. As you see, it shakes. So it's a shaker, and she can, it's not only cute and it dresses up the insert real nicely. She can take it off, and then she can place it anywhere in her planner, and her insert still looks adorable. So I rather do things like that for shakers. So this is my first insert. My second insert, I made this unicorn. It turned out more like a llama unicorn. So I made this using a rosette, and then I made the unicorn, and I made this little ball here using some glitter paper that I made, and I thought it turned out so adorable. I love the sparkling in here, and I know that she loves pink, so hot pink more there, more pink. And I added here another paper clip with the same ball that the unicorn is wearing. And then this is a folder. This folder I made using polyvinyl folder from the office store. I just cut it in half, and then I scored it in the middle on one of the covers, and then it gave me an open pocket on this side and a huge pocket in here. So it's really good. She has a lot of space there for storing things, and it's plastic, so it should last longer. And then I made this little magnetic paper clip. You guys know I make my own magnetic paper clips, and I have a tutorial on how to make them if you're interested. And then I made I cut this little unicorn, and then just added a few things here to match. And then I use here one of the note post-its from the Dollar Tree that I showed you before. It's the cloud. It says never stop looking up, and then over here this little note stickies, so don't forget. So I added it there, so it would say don't forget, never stop looking up. So I think it turned out adorable too. One of these buckets, I left this empty because it's already really bulky, so I just added here another tag that I made a little while ago, and I wanted to share with her. She could use this as a bookmark too if she wants to. So I just placed it inside in there, so I'm going to leave it like that so it looks prettier. And then here is a donut paper clip that I made. I made this huge donut paper clip, and I made it this size because I wanted to offset a little bit the size of the pom-pom from the pen. So I decided to make it really big, so it kind of like around the same size, and it will look more proportionate. And I used some eyelash trim also here to match with the theme, and I think it looks so adorable. So this is another shaker that I made for this, and I love this. I love making shakers like this. And I stamp here Hello Sunshine. I use a little unicorn, sparkly unicorn that I got from Hobby Lobby on their clearance sales, and you saw this on one of my hauls. And this is another little insert that I made for her. And then this is my last insert. This one says make a difference, and it has an ampersand there. I made the tag and everything in here, and then I just go over the notebook. And then in here I added 2 more pockets for her. Then I colored this little mama elephant guy here, and I glued it to a cloudy background, and then I added a little piece on the back to frame it. And then I added here this little tiny tag that has pink in there because she loves pink, and then I added another pink tag in here and a few stickers for her. So this is my unicorn traveler's notebook, and I really hope you guys like it. I think it turned out so adorable. I hope she likes it, and thank you so much for your patience. Thank you guys for watching, and keep watching because now we're going to start the tutorial.